All right, guys, so when you're sheathing a house on the exterior walls, one, you always want to run the sheathing horizontally. A lot of guys will run it vertically. That's not best practice. Greater wind uplift and structural integrity of the home is when the sheathing is installed horizontally. You want to make sure your seams are staggered. You never want four corners meeting. It should always be three. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You should never have four corners meeting when you're installing sheathing. So it needs to be staggered just like everything else in construction. That's one. Two, when you are fastening the sheathing to the studs in the wall, to the framing members, code requires that on the edges of the panels, when there's two panels butted up next to each other, on the edges, you want to make sure the fasteners are no more than 6 inches apart. That's on the edge of the panels where there's two pieces meeting one another. In the field, so there's framing on this house every 16 inches on center. In the field, you want these fasteners 12 inches apart. So that is how you fasten the sheathing to walls per code requirements here on the coast in South Carolina. 6 inches on the edge, 12 inches apart, no more than 12 inches apart in the field, no more than 6 inches apart on the edge of the panels. And again, the sheathing needs to always run horizontally, never vertically. A lot of guys will try to run it vertically to save time. That is not the proper way to install the sheathing on the house.